Here we go. Back and forth. My two bodyguards with me right here. That's old William there and Junior. Say something to the family. Look at William that look like, hold up. I've seen that mug somewhere without the earring though. Say something, man. You're in the video.
What up, Lily?
Oh, you about to go to bed? I ain't going to bed with you. So hang out with that for a few minutes at least. Yeah, it'll be all right, man. The bed ain't going nowhere. I don't think nobody gonna get in it. That's yours. Say something to the family. Say hello, Grandma. Hello, everybody.
Hey, Grandma. Granny.
Yeah.
You know it's gonna run y'all about $250 a minute. So.
$250 a minute? Your spot on the roof is ready.
No checks, COD.
Yes. Yeah, or caught outdoors.
That's the best.
You caught outdoors, COD, baby. All right, family. That's the boys right now. What the men right now. The men. Look at it. Now you gonna snip me. How you gonna snip me? You think I can't see you? I'm watching the video. And you gonna snip me. Boy, I ain't gonna cut it. They're gonna snip his own dad. I'm sorry, men, not boys. That was a time, you know. All right, family. That's what they look like now. Catch them anywhere. Just don't go to the post office. Love y'all.
Let me borrow some checks.
Let me borrow some checks.
Tell Granny to send me my money. Send me some checks. You too, Angie. Send me my money.